Hello friends, in this video we will explain why we need specific installations and configuration files to set up Angular 2. We will explain what the use of each step and each file in Angular 2 setup tutorial. So first we will start with the installations part, and the first thing we have installed is Visual Studio 2015 Update 3. The minimum requirement for developing Angular 2 application is Visual Studio 2015 Update 3. So the question arises in my mind is why I cannot do it with earlier versions. So the earlier versions do not follow the best practices for developing applications with TypeScript. Plus, the earlier versions do not have inbuilt template for TypeScript file. So the Visual Studio 2015 Update 3 comes with inbuilt template, and also it follows the best practice for developing application with TypeScript. The second thing we installed was Node.js and Node Package Manager. So technically Node.js and NPM are not needed to develop Angular 2 application. So basically they are not directly involved with the development, but they facilitate us. They make our life easy. So how they facilitate us? So the first thing they do is Node.js and NPM helps in transpile our .ts TypeScript to .js JavaScript file on the fly. So basically TypeScript is ES6 standards, which is not recognized by latest browsers. So we have to convert it to ES5 standards, that is JavaScript, so that the browser can understand our code. So that process is called transpiling, and someone has to do that process for us. So Node Package Manager and Node.js does it for us on the fly. It helps in running pre-configured local web server and test tools. So basically you can also run your application, Angular 2 application, using Node Package Manager. NPM is a package manager that allows us to download libraries and packages to use in Angular 2. It reads the package.json file and downloads the dependencies to the node modules folder. So Node Package Manager, what it does is it basically reads the package.json file which we have added to the solution. It downloads the dependencies to the project and creates a node underscore modules folder. So all the dependencies are downloaded in that folder. So basically Node.js and NPM are very important in Angular 2 development with TypeScript. Next thing is TypeScript 2. So as we are using TypeScript for developing Angular 2 applications, we need the latest version of TypeScript to be installed. So the latest version is TypeScript 2. So the Visual Studio 2015 Update 3 ships with TypeScript 1 support. It currently doesn't ship with TypeScript 2. So basically we have to do that explicitly. We have to install TypeScript 2 explicitly. We are done with the installations part, and now we'll come to the files part. So the first file we have added, package.json. So a package.json file contains metadata about our application, and it includes a list of dependencies to be installed in your app. So let's have a look at package.json. So this is the package.json file, and these are the dependencies which are mentioned to be installed. So what npm does is it basically reads this file and install the dependencies in node modules folder. So you can see this is the node modules folder created into our project directory. So this node modules folder has all the dependencies. So that is why package.json is important, and once the dependency is installed, I would recommend to exclude this file and even exclude the node modules folder from the project. So next file is tsconfig.json. So it is a TypeScript configuration file. It guides the compiler to transpile our TypeScript file to JavaScript file. So basically npm uses this file for transpiling our TypeScript to JavaScript on the fly. So let's have a look at this file. So it looks like this, tsconfig.json. So you can see there is a property set compile on save. So basically when you save your TypeScript code on the fly, npm updates the JavaScript file and transpile that code to JavaScript. And there are some other properties which will indicate that transpiling process. So this is the target property. So it is saying that you have to convert it to ES5 standards. So this is what tsconfig.json file is about and what importance it has. The next file is system.js.config.js. So we use this file to load application and library modules. The modules loader require configuration, and that is what we use this file for. So if you see this file, so it has all the bundles from the Angular 2. So basically it provides all these bundles to the TypeScript file so that we can use this on the TypeScript file. Plus it gives the name to the app, and it is also specifying the path from where you have to pick all the npm. So basically serving as alias as per the comment, and this is what specifying the configuration, what to load and how to load basically. So system.js basically has the configuration setup about the modules, how to load, how each module will be loaded. So this is about the installations and files we have used in the Angular 2 setup, and so we discuss about what their importance are, and as a course processes we will be more we will have more information about these files and installations, and we'll come across scenarios where we will find that these files are important in our Angular 2 applications. Thanks for watching.